Oh, careful. Right.
I've got a full free.
Are you sure you want to do that yet? Yeah, let's not. I'm thinking we can get some. See, like this rock here. Oh. Hi guys, so welcome back again. Back with Unique, and got this nice location here. A little bit different from Manchester, but you look and see. Got this nice little waterfall location. Gonna try and get some amazing shots. You'll see the lovely model we're working with shortly. She'll be here in a second, but we've got to kind of climb down there. I don't really know how I'm gonna do that. She says it's easy, but we'll see. We'll figure it out. Oh my god. Alright. So look at her go. Right. Yeah, I'll be down in a second. Right, so hi guys, back here at Lumb Falls.
Yeah.
And then with the beautiful
Layla Rey.
Layla Rey. I'll put her Insta on the screen or something like that. We're about to get some shots at this location, and it's really quiet. Normally it's busy, you said, isn't it?
It gets busy when the sun comes out.
Yeah, so we're here quite early, which is good. So we'll have a look at that. Probably get some shots over there. Shots down there. Our model. Yes. Right, so see that pose? I know you don't want to because the slip's on the other side. You want to try and do it the other way. There you go. Right. Perfect. Let me get over here. Yeah, perfect. Get one like this. Perfect. Do I have a look at some? So I'll come to you. There you go. Yeah. I know what you mean about getting in it, but it's cold. I'm feeling the cold for you. Yeah. And there's not much sun coming through. A couple more. There's even some with you in it, and like, you know, like half in the water and stuff like that. That would look cool, but that's up to you because you're the one who'll be cold. I'm guessing it's freezing. Oh, careful. Are you sure you want to do that yet? Yeah, let's not. I'm thinking we can get some. See, like this rock here. Oh, careful. See, like this rock here. We'll probably get some of you sat down or. Yeah, I'll try and get behind you. You know, kind of like look. Yeah, there you go. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, okay. Can't believe I'm here with no shoes on. I just put my feet on YouTube. Well, what you can do is kind of look away from me, so don't look. Yeah, there you go. second. Yeah, that's it. Up like that. So sit up straight a little bit more. Shoulders back. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Look over at me a sec. Let me try and get a little higher. You can stay there. Over there. How's your core strength? If you put both hands behind your head. There you go. Try not to cover your face too much. Let me come over here. Yeah. Love that. Let's get a bit closer. You wouldn't think that this is here, isn't it?
But I've known about this place for ages now. I was looking at it.
You've never took any pictures here?
No, I mean I've been here with friends and we take like selfies, but I've not had a photo.
Right. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's it. Let me get in front of you. Let's test how cold this is. How are you in that? Oh! Oh my god! That is freezing. Yeah, that's perfect. Do you want to wet yourself? Ready? Gonna have to put my feet in it if I want to get the shot I want to get. I don't know how you're doing this. See this, guys? This is dedication. Dedication to the game. That's it. Get a little tip closer. Careful. Ready? Get some of your hair in front of your face, like how. Yeah, make it look a little one. Yeah, there we go. Remember before when you said you look like you're in the wild? Yeah. You rough your hair up a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Run your fingers through your hair like you were doing at the top. Like if you run your fingers through. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Push your hips towards me, like his hips towards me. Yeah. You're used to it?
No.
Yeah, you look well comfortable in there. Let me get to that side so I can get the waterfall in the background. If you see your hair, bring this side like over your face a little. Like it's kind of covering one of your eyes. You get what I mean?
Yeah.
That is perfect. Yeah, I love that. Yeah, that's it. if you see this knee, if you close your knee, like put your leg, yeah. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. If you try and arch your back as much as you can. There you go. Perfect. Love that. Yeah, look over here. Perfect. A few more. There we go. One more. Yeah. Like that. So, not sure if you're catching this. We've just done the first set. She's just gone off to go and get changed. And as freezing as the water is, it's really nice here. We've got some good shots, as I'm sure you've been seeing. But, gonna get some more. Like I said, she's just doing that outfit change, and we'll be back in a second. Look at this. Look at that. There we go. Perfect. See? Yeah. Love it. Do that again, put both your hands up how you had them before. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Yeah, that's nice. So stay how you was. I'm just coming over here to get a better angle. Cross your legs the other way around. Cross your legs the other way. Yeah. And twist the top. No, no. Yeah. There you go. Looks like over there. Yeah. Oh. Try one with your hair behind, and then we'll do some with your hair in front. Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's fine. Keep that one in front then. If that's what you're comfortable with, then stay like that. Yeah, do you like what you was doing, like looking up there?
And cross down over.
Yeah, it's only like up to here, so it's fine. This sun's messing with me. Perfect, that's nice. Perfect. Oh. Get a logo on. That looks really good. Yeah, I love that. Perfect. So do that both hands. One hand through your hair. Switch. Yeah. We get a bit closer. Into it now, are you? Oh, here we go. Oh.
It's not even.
Oh. Right, I'm gonna go around there so I can get. I'll stay here and then I'll go around there so I can get closer. Yeah? I guess I'm gonna have to get a little wet as well. Ready? When it's all done and you see the shots, you'll be like, yeah, that was worth it. Perfect. Perfect. Give me a second because I've only got one hand. And this rock's so wobbly. I stand on things and look, they just start lifting. Yeah, these are good. Come a little closer to me then. This is not a zoom lens, so I can't, unless I get in. I know what you mean, like half in the water. Yeah, I'm gonna, if I get really low.
Yeah, we do it this time. You ready?
Yeah. Oh. Alright, come out. The sun.
Okay, my hair's like wet now. Come on.
When the sun comes out, you have to adjust. You know, for the lighting.
Yeah. Oh, it's gone again. Warm now. Does that mean I've got hypothermia?
Hopefully not. You going in again? Oh.
No.
No.
Look it up.
What was it? It just drowned it. Well, that's nice because you're looking over at the waterfall.
On your floor.
If you do like, if you do, let me stop. They're gonna look a little dark when I show you, but I'm just taking them underexposed on purpose.
Okay, I'm going to come out. Like,
Oh yeah,
I don't know what that means, but I don't like it.
it's not good. Right, are we ready to go now?